The Middle East is the driest region on Earth, with 12 of the world's most water-scarce countries. Water availability per capita from rain, rivers, and underground sources is 6 times less than the world average. And that amount is expected to be slashed in half by 2050. There are lots of reasons for the crisis. They include climate change and increased demand for water as populations grow. Poor resource management is a problem, and so are wasteful agricultural policies. Water is being lost due to overuse of groundwater, outdated irrigation methods, and even leaky pipes. And that's a problem in a region where 85% of water is consumed by the agricultural sector. Water scarcity is also affecting regional security. In Syria, a devastating drought in the late 2000s triggered the mass migration of 1.5 million people from rural to urban areas. Analysts say the discontent that followed contributed to the 2011 Syrian uprising. More recently, local protests sparked by water shortages have been spreading throughout the region. The hotter temperatures and diminished rainfall from climate change are only expected to make the crisis worse. And those stressors are likely to turn more and more of the region's arable land into desert. That could threaten the food security of hundreds of millions of people. Regional countries have responded differently to the growing water scarcity. Israel and the Gulf states rely on desalination, but experts say that's not a sustainable long-term solution due to its harmful environmental effects. Morocco has worked to improve its groundwater management, while in Jordan, efforts have been made to increase wastewater recycling and reuse. But so much more needs to be done. Governments need to prioritize better management and allocation of water. Improved irrigation policies are a must, and public awareness campaigns around water conservation are critical. Ultimately, greater regional cooperation is needed for Middle Eastern countries to tackle a shared challenge together.